Welcome everybody. My name is Michael Jones, and this is my presentation on the selected EHR, which is Advancedmd. First, what is an EHR? Electronic health record is a digital version of a patient's paper chart. EHRs are real-time patient-centered records that make information readily available, instantly and securely to authorized users. Some of the things that Advancedmd offers. So Advancedmd services, as you can see, they have practice management, e-prescribing, telemedicine, patient portal central, report center, billing analytics software. Practice management, their model is more profit and less headache, which allows you to streamline medical billing using AR, tracking, and claims features, which offer claims management and scheduling software. Claims Center allows you to manage the entire claim in one location from full reimbursement to charges. E-prescribing. EPICS, medication price transparency, retail, online, mail, medication history, mobile access, pharmacy linking, medication lists, and formulary plans are all a part of this feature. This is a HIPAA compliant and user-friendly tool. Next, we have telemedicine. Affordability is a way to grow and improve your practice and business model of care without creating a new bill using telemedicine. One key point is that we deliver quality medical service to rural areas. Did I mention that it saves both the company and the user patient money? Next, we have Report Center, billing analytics software. These two features are just a sample of what is provided here, but the Report Center is used to simplify and understand the financial aspect of the company. Billing analytics software comes into play when a company needs solutions in order to improve and grow the practice. Patient Portal Central. In the patient portal, it allows for prescription renewals, online bill pay, messaging, and appointment requests. In return, this helps the company due to its ability to prioritize the experience of and for each patient. Next, we have the Advanced Mobile application. The Advanced Mobile medical app allows the patient and the provider to stay in touch with each other without having to step foot in the office, which is another form of our telemedicine. Then we have Advanced EPICS. Advanced EPICS is truly designed to aid the company in saving time while still maintaining guidelines with state and federal regulation when it comes to prescription of controlled substances. And we have billing analytics software. Dynamic dashboards. Using this billing analytics software, it allows you to customize your medical billing reports with a drag and drop feature, which is much easier, and allows you to run reports that were recently ran, and we provide recommended reports for from our experts, just in case you need a little assistance in determining what type of report or chart or graph you need to use and utilize for your quarterly reports. Then we have patient software. Our patient software is basically one thing that most companies always strive to improve is the patient relation aspect of things. With Advancedmd, it's one of their selling points is to make their experience simple and pleasant. Through this software, it allows for prescription renewals. Also, this provides room for staff to work on things like billing and clinical tasks, in return increasing the efficiency and the revenue of the company. The Smart Dashboard, I touched on this a little bit earlier. This feature allows the team to instantly see urgent issues. Things like abnormal labs, provides drive actions, actionable lists to guide you on what to do next from priority. Lastly, provides a simple way to understand the analytics of the company from the data. Lastly, we have the security aspect of things. Like any business, Advancedmd takes security very seriously by providing all product users with a managed cloud environment which provides more security versus other ASPs. for multi-factor authentication and two-way factors, which provides an extra layer of security that goes hand in hand with the typical username and password. This was sending code unique to the user email account that's on file. And we're going to continue with the security aspect. So we also provide a risk assessment. These are conducted at least yearly on the Advancedmd infrastructure, business processes, and other areas where EPHIs could be disclosed. We also employ multiple layers of technical safeguards in our security. These include hardened networks and operating systems, DMZs, multi-tiered firewalls and routers, intrusion detection systems, deep packet inspection technologies, secure encrypted electronic communication, access and utilization, audit and event monitoring, logging and network and application vulnerability scanning, lastly, the penetration testing. So as you can see, Advancedmd offers a lot of features that pretty much most companies that provides an EHR platform does, but they do put a little bit more emphasis on the security aspect of things. I just want to say thank you for your time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation, and I'm looking forward to seeing your review. Thank you.